Brycey, come see what Santa brought.
What?
Come here.
I've got no slippers on.
You got new slippers on? Did Santa leave those?
Yeah. Oh, read that. Read that. Where's that stuff?
Oh, tools.
Look at this. Bryce, look.
What?
Look at this one. Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
Look at all these presents. Look at all that.
And
Careful. What is
What
that?
is that?
Is that a real shovel?
what happened?
Is that your shovel?
Is that so you could take a shovel to work?
Nothing.
What is that over there?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Go in there.
Unzip it.
Is that a trampoline for the house?
Yeah.
What?
Go in. Let's open it. Yeah. Oh. Come on.
Jump, Brycey.
Jump.
Oh.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's Merry Christmas time. Merry Christmas, Brycey.
I'm gonna go out.
Okay.